Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the syllabus of MA Final English paper 8th B. The name of the paper 8th B is Women's Writing. It is obvious from the name of the paper that all the literary works that are included in this paper are written by the women writers. This paper covers the 5 units in all. In the first unit, the poems Siren Song by Margaret Atwood and Snapshots of a Daughter-in-Law by Adrienne Rich are prescribed for your syllabus. Margaret Atwood is a Canadian poetess. The poem Siren Song takes a different look at the ancient Greek myth of the sirens that are the half bird and half woman. If we talk about the writer Adrienne Rich, she was an American poetess, essayist, and feminist. She supports the cause of women in her works. It is said that she is one of the most widely read and influential poets of the second half of the 20th century. In the poem Snapshots of a Daughter-in-Law, she explores the multiple facets of woman life inflicted with sorrows and male exploitation. In the second unit, there is one poem, Not My Best Side, by U.A. Fanthorpe, and one novel, Beloved by Toni Morrison. U.A. Fanthorpe was an English poetess whose poetry comments mainly on social issues, and Toni Morrison was an American novelist who was the recipient of the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1993. Now I move on the unit third. In the third unit, there is one poem, Lady Lazarus by Sylvia Plath, and one literary work, A Vindication of the Rights of Women, chapter 1 and 2 by Mary Wollstonecraft. Sylvia Plath was an American poet, novelist, and short story writer, and Mary Wollstonecraft was an English writer, philosopher, and advocate of women's rights. Now I move on the unit fourth. The unit fourth covers the writers Carol Churchill, and her literary work is a play which is Top Girls. In this unit, there is one poem, A Sunset of the City by Gwendolyn Brooks. Carol Churchill is a British playwright. She is known for dramatizing the abuses of power and for exploration of sexual politics and feminist themes. And Gwendolyn Brooks was an American poetess. Her works often deal with the personal themes and the struggles of ordinary people in her community. Now we talk about the unit 5th. Unit 5th covers a novel, That Long Silence by Shashi Deshpande, who is an Indian novelist, and Virginia Woolf's A Room of One's Own. This is an essay. Virginia Woolf was an English writer. She is considered as one of the most important modernist 20th century authors. So, this is all about the syllabus of this paper that is prescribed in your syllabus. The literary works that are prescribed in this paper will be elaborately explained in the next upcoming videos. Before I end this video, I want to bring into your notice that the writers on whose name before there is a star indication, those writers are for detailed study, means explanations will be asked from their texts, which are Siren Song, Snapshots of a Daughter in Law, Not My Best Side, and Lady Lazarus. The examination pattern and evaluation scheme will be discussed in the next video. Thanks.